Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Right-click an empty spot on the taskbar and choose Taskbar settings. You want to remove visible elements quickly, so toggle off Search, Task View, and Widgets where available. Once done, enable Auto-Hide Taskbar to make it vanish automatically. This is reversible and safe. Make sure you're signed in with an account that can change system settings because the next steps may require admin approval. This gets the taskbar out of sight immediately while preserving system files. Now proceed to more persistent removal. Unpin every app and disable system icons under taskbar behaviors so nothing forces the bar to reappear. If elements persist, open Task Manager and Explorer. EXE and restart it. This applies changes without rebooting. For full removal, you can edit group policy or the registry keys that control the taskbar, but stop and back up the registry first. Incorrect edits break the UI. Make sure to save work. Registry and policy changes often need a sign out or restart to finalize. Finish by rebooting or signing out to ensure all changes stick. Verify the taskbar remains hidden or absent. If something misbehaves, go back into taskbar settings and restore defaults to recover quickly. If you edited the registry or group policy and the UI becomes unstable, use the restore point you created earlier or run system restore to roll back those changes. One key troubleshooting tip: restart Explorer. EXE first. Often that simple step fixes display glitch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.